What's up, it's Monkey Paw Picks. I got a San Diego Comic Con exclusive golden, I never remember that, golden eggs, which I love that game. This was the San Diego Comic Con exclusive 2-pack of 2 skeletons by Storm Collectibles. I'm about to rip off this tissue, but I wanted you to see it was brand new. This is how they pack them with tissue, so you get that good deal. Know it's mint, fresh. I love it. There. Boom. Right there. We see it, the 2-pack of golden eggs, skeletons. And the reason I bought this is for the dilemmas of having bones and skeletons. I thought that was a great idea. It was $60, so basically $30 a figure. But for the perfect picture, can't go wrong with that. So, the package, I like it, but with Storm Collectibles, as you can see, it's usually hard to see the figures because they put a piece of plastic on top of a soft plastic over it, so it gives it that shine so you can't see it that good. I'm not a fan of that. I would rather be able to see it and display it. If it's in the box, I want to be able to show it. But that's my opinion. I don't know what you guys think about that. So, but this is it, the 2-pack. We're going to open this thing up and go from there. Alright guys, so we got this open. Halfway through it, I decided to leave it so you can see everything I'm going to pull out instead of setting it up, doing it a little different. So here is a shield for one of the skeletons. And if you come back, it has an arm brace and a handle. So I like that. So it fits a little better. So see if I can flip this up real quick. If we can see these two. I hope you can see that, but they come with the 8 pairs of hands, not counting the hands on them, so that's 10 pairs. Each skeleton has a piece of styrofoam in the chest cavity. I'm gonna pull this out so let's check it out. So I guess it protects it. That is large in there. Jesus. So, see if I can get this out. I feel like it might break the figure. There we go. So there's the styrofoam. And then here is a figure which it does feel a little bit flimsy. But it is a skeleton. So don't know how sturdy it could be. But the reason I wanted these was suppose it was like on the ground, such like this, give it a little dead body right there, had a spawn in this bad boy. So I would like if they had some footholds or a stand. It does not have that. So getting these to balance might be a little bit tough. See if I can do it. No, almost took the head dive right there. Oh, man, getting these to balance is not going to be easy. I'll tell you what, that's in my King of the Hill right there. Well, so right there out of the box, I'm not too happy with the balancing. Shaking with the stand. Oh shit! There we go. Shaking with the stand or something to help it balance. But that's just my opinion. I'm going to use these for photography. We'll use them for dead bodies, such as that. I'll probably use the shield for some custom. But here's the other one. I think it does look like the jaw moves. Let's check it out. Yes, it does. So you can move the jaw, make him shocked and surprised. Maybe sit this guy up. Boom. He has a long old age, though. Tell you that. So there we go. We're going to get some dead bodies up here. See if we can pose this thing. Boom. Look at that. Getting some dead skeletons for a photography right there. So they do come with a weapon. See if I can get one of these out. So they come with a sword. Each of them has a, right there, long sword, broadsword, whatever you want to call it. And then they come with a bunch of hands. So let's see if I can show you a couple. So one is the claw. You can see that. So that's pretty cool. Then it has some sea hands for the sword and shield. Looks like it has a pointing hand. So I can get this out. It's like watching it so good too. And they know how to pack their shit, I'll tell you that. Right, there we go. So here's a pointing hand. We can get that there. Oh, we can see it. And then just a bunch of open claw hands. But this is basically it. This is what I want to do for some photography. Have a couple of dead skeletons. If you checked out my Facebook page, Monkey Paw Pics, I post a lot of photography there. And I have a background I think these will fit great in. That was my idea of using these with a dark blackish white color. I might do a little bit of custom paint and make them a little bit like bony, like wire. I wouldn't say white, but that color bone. So I might repaint them, but that was my thinking. I do like to have a lot of points of movement like this. It has two on the stomach and the tailbone, so it gives it that deep bend right there. So it could be sitting down, kind of hunched over. The legs look like they have a ball joint, so you can kind of, as the visor will go, the hips can go all the way up though, so I like that. The elbows have the same type of ball joint. This is as much as it goes up. The jaw does close and open. Boom, right there. The head is on a ball joint. So it does have a little bit of posability. Not too bad, not bad. But like I said, these will be used for photography. get that, like, dead man pose right there, or just sitting there forever and decompose, and his homeboy is laying down. His name is Dave, his name is Leroy. So Leroy and Dave are just hanging out. So I'm gonna give this a 5.5 because there's not much to it. I think the 2-pack could be cheaper because I don't see people reviewing these since it's so hard to balance and there's no hole for a stand. So getting these to stand will be a little bit tough, I would say. So I'm going with the 5.5. What do you guys think? Do you have these? I don't think anybody has them but me. I think I was the only one dumb enough to buy it. But if you do, what do you think about it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I want to know. Comment below. Like this video. Subscribe. Please. I love you guys. And I love to interact with you. Tons of links below. I can interact with you. Facebook, Instagram, all that. Check it out. So until next time, thank you for watching this and don't buy this.